Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to name a cell or given a cell a name on your worksheet on Microsoft Office Excel. So the first thing, open your Microsoft Excel worksheet and follow these simple steps. So now I'm going to select any cell that I want to name, and I will go to the formula bar, which is this one. In this ribbon here, in this bar, I will find the cell name bar. So this is the bar, and if you don't see it, all you have is to do is to go to the view tab and go here, and you will find the formula bar. Just check it in and go to the cell place or the cell name place and give it a name. So now, as you can see, other cells have this name, but what is the one that I have choose? Here it is. It has the name BB. So this is one way to have naming a cell on Microsoft Excel. There is another method by going to the formulas bar or the formulas tab. So let's just color these cells to recognize them. So let's have this one with the first method, cell 1, and make sure that the name doesn't contain space or special characters. The most important thing just to not having spaces between the name. So if you do like this, it will give you an error. So it has cell 1, and the other method is clicking on the cell or selecting the cell that you want to have and go to the formulas, and as you can see, there is something called defined names. So I'm going to define a name to my range here, and I'm going to the names and have it call it cell number 2, and as you can see, the both has the same outcome. So this is how we name cells on Excel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.